that when this new age is already intact at this moment, the consciousness will have such a drastic shift that the people that will be drawn to this plane henceforth will be the ones that are likened unto this plane, which means this plane will be divine. And the warlords, the despisers of human beings, the enslavers, the people that unjustly rule people will not come again to this plane unless they are perfected in their own being. And the entity has come back again because he loves us, and to teach us and to bring back our memory and to have us steadfast that we can become again the creators that we truly are in our beings. I don't have all the answers, but I know that when history is looked back upon in this day, man will have seen that he has come a long way from his primitive self when he has reached the time of 25. And that will be a good time for this plane.